Hi guys, there's a very beautiful idea of some business. You can see this flower vending machine here in Almaty International Airport in Kazakhstan. It's really beautiful idea. Usually we see vending machine of this food, different bars, coffee, chocolate, and some snacks. But this one is quite interesting to me, and it's a vending machine of flowers. You can get the flowers when someone arrives or departs. You can make them happy by welcoming them with a flower, and you can get these flowers for $20 to $30, which is around from 8,000 it starts. Some of them also bought, I can see, and 15,000 is the maximum price, which is like in tenge in Kazakh money. And these are all fresh flowers, not the plastic ones. Maybe they change every morning. And you can also put some plastic flowers. It will last long and you will make good business. Looks really beautiful. Flower vending machine.